Where will you find them? What would you do to find mentors?
So, those who are interested.
Yeah, you can write, start writing.
Schools also into this.
Absolutely. They are the most creative minds.
Of our effort under the PM Sri Schools initiative to bring the vision of National Education Policy 2020 into action at the ground level. Over the next 2 days, participants will learn key concepts of innovation through design thinking, problem identification, and teamwork. Hands-on activities and exposure visits will guide them from idea development to prototype creation. Our aim is clear: every district should become a mini innovation hub, every diet a center of capacity building, and every school a space of or